Hey guys, welcome to JB's Garage. Now, don't worry, this video isn't all dark, but it is here. The new project is here. You've just seen the teaser, and now it is here. Time for daylight. So here it is, the new project. This is a Citroen AX 1.0 954cc. I think it's central point injection, I think it's called. It's basically like, it's one fuel injector for all 4 cylinders. And yeah, this thing is a little dinger. As you can see, it's got some tiny little tyres all covered in green. Getting the key out, ready to unlock this door. Oh! Let's open up. Oh, she's unlocked. Well, nearly anyway. Come on, you fucker. Right. Oh, yeah. We're in. We are in. Now, look at this interior. This thing is looking fresh. Ignore all that fucking shit on the back there. But oh, such a low mileage as well, if you can see that. 36,000. Ooh. Well, there's actually like a bit of a kerfuffle about 7,000 of those miles. But yeah, there's the bonnet release. Let's lift it up and have a look. Also, those are not my wheel spin marks because this car does not run yet. Wink, wink, wink. Keep watching the video. Now, if you want to see more of the build, yeah, like, comment and subscribe. And let me know what you think of the build and what I should do next. Sick. Also, look at this driver's seat, yeah? Looks fine, doesn't it? It's actually quite comfy. It's quite, like, spongy, you know? You can really, like, sink your hand in there. It's really quite comfy, but the problem is, as soon as you touch it, safety is #1 priority. Citroen. Right, so this is my first time ever turning this key. I've just put a fucking the Golf battery in there, which I'll show you now. Right, this is the first ever time I'll be turning the key or anything. Last time it was the guy that was towing it for me. Big up David. But anyway, right, this is going to be my first time turning these keys and seeing what happens in here with this 4-speed. Right, let's go to wide angle. Oh. Wipers are on. Let's turn them off. We've got a radio with a CD in it. The worst speaker quality in the world. Got all these lights on. Alright, now let's try and send it. Just keep it turning over for me, I reckon. Just get that oil around it, get it fucking flowing. The oil pressure light's gone off anyway, so we know it's building oil pressure. We know that's not a problem. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some deodorant. And I'm going to get my good friend Sonny over here to spray it in the engine for me whilst I try and start it. Right, so basically, what Sonny has to do is he has to spray the deodorant into this hole here. You see that? Right, stop. Only do it when I'm turning it over. Right, so do that as soon as I start turning it. Ready? Let's fucking get it, son. Alright, getting the keys in. Ignition on. Keep going. Keep going. Oh. Keep spraying, don't stop. We know with some fuel this thing's gonna run. With some fuel this thing is gonna be a bad boy. Right, battery's dead, but she runs on deodorant, which means as soon as she's got fuel, she'll fucking run. So as you can see, I've added fuel. Excuse me. You can fuck off. Yeah, I've added fuel, as you can see up there. So let's try and give it a crank, see what happens. Battery's dead. Fuming. Well then, guess I have to try it another time. But it's got fuel. So we've got both Citroens linked up via the Citroen cables. And been running for a minute now, Lauren's car has, just to see if we can put some charge in. I'm just going to get in here. I'm just going to wiggle the key because steering lock's a bit dodgy. Alright, what happens here? Someone says there's no connection. But the jump cable's even been doing anything the whole time, there's like no connection. Eh? Oh, that might be one thing. And that. That could be that. They're pretty solid, so it's not them. Fuck's sake. Let me do them up solid. Terminals are done up, they're on there properly. Lauren's ribs dipped as soon as I connected it, so it's guaranteed to be on now, 100%. So, yeah, gonna let it charge for a second, then I'm gonna try it again. It's literally just happened, you guys literally just missed it. With the whole fuel pump out and everything, the fuel pump wasn't working, so I made it spin, put it back in, and it's running. It's got a little nippy engine. She's alive. Maybe smoky, but at least it's running. Got expected to smoke after it's sat for years, come on. Lovely. Hey, it's got an interior light and everything. Yeah, gang shit. Right, and just another reminder for me and Sonny to go like the JBS Garage Facebook page here and to subscribe. And I hope you enjoy the content. Let's carry on with the video.
Subscribe now. This is Brad doing his first driving test.
Bang it. Just like that.
Hey.
Smooth as fuck. And also, if you record these front wheels a sec, Sonny, yeah, they can do this.
Hey.
Hey.
Done now, done now.
So that's it. All four tyres are now pumped up as well. She pumped up with the foot pump, all the 30 psi. They were all about 20, well not 20, sorry, 10 psi around. So, do you know what I mean? They were all even, about 10 psi. So, yeah, still chucking out smoke. So that fuel is green. I didn't really show you guys in the tank, but even with the fuel I put in there, all I did was dilute the old fuel. So, now it's just a mixture of both. But that's alright, because now I'm burning off all the old fuel, ready to fucking put new fuel in and have it running fresh. Sweet. And just so we know it works, the radiator fan is currently spinning. I can feel the air being drawn through. That's mad. This thing is a little dinger. Can you feel that or not? So guys, that is it for today's episode of JBS Garage. And yeah, this is it. This is the new car. Once again, I just want to ask you to take this 1 minute out of your day to just go ahead and subscribe. I really work hard on all the content I make for this channel, and I just put my heart and soul into everything here. And I just want everybody to see what I do. I also want to fill the gaps on YouTube that aren't filled. For example, Citroen AX videos. Of course there are some, obviously, but there aren't as many as there should be, you know? So, that's just what I want to leave this video on. So, on that note, I will see you guys next time. Peace.